With 9 customers and fast approaching $1 billion in annual revenue, Columbia is the 3rd largest site in the Americas. Columbia leads the industry in build-to-order systems integration, offering a compelling suite of manufacturing and supply chain services to leading OEMs in computing, communications, networking, and self-service automation. The Solectron production system is the heart of Columbia's manufacturing strategy, and nowhere is that more visible than the Kodak kiosk line, where lean practices shape everything we do. But the starting point just 18 months ago was far from the lean vision that was finally achieved. Chronic overproduction, an unbalanced line, a lack of pull systems, and a lack of visual control all added up to performance below Solectron and customer expectations, and a prescription for some breakthrough lean thinking. The Kodak Lean team met this challenge head-on with an amazing level of dedication, skill, and Kaizen spirit, driving an incredible 24 Kaizens in 12 months. What sets the Kodak Lean transformation apart is not only that it was the first moving line in Solectron, but that it spans the entire supply chain, from customer order fulfillment to kiosk production, and even to the supplier. It all begins with the customer order, which triggers a shipment from a finished goods Kanban. A Kanban card for the unit shipped triggers a replenishment kiosk order, which is sequenced at the Hijunka board at the front of the kiosk line. The kiosk moving line is the centerpiece of the lean transformation, with each operation carefully balanced and synchronized to the required 7-minute takt. Numerous Kaizens were involved just in implementing the supporting lean practices and disciplines, including standard work, single-piece flow, line balancing, and takt management. The result is continuous flow where work proceeds along a 7-station progressive line, then advances to the next station, precisely at takt. A countdown clock keeps pace for each of the stations and creates the heartbeat of the entire line. An audible alert at the halfway point helps the operators calibrate their progress and determine if they are on pace. A takt andon keeps track of the number of units completed against the target, once again reinforcing the importance of staying on takt. Even the feeder line, which builds the order station's subassembly, is managed with a countdown clock and takt counter. Order stations are built to a Kanban which feeds directly into the midpoint of the kiosk line. Each station uses JIDOKA practices to assure that all line stoppages are dealt with quickly and decisively, with a frontline support team responding in seconds to the JIDOKA andon above each station. When assembly is complete, the empty material cart becomes a Kanban signal, triggering the next material pull from the line side supermarket. Dedicated FIFO lanes minimize pallet handling, with goods received from the supplier going directly to the line side supermarket. The innovative CREFORM design makes material presentation very organized and efficient, minimizing space, reach, and travel for the water spider and operator. Material is pulled only as needed from the supplier based on actual consumption. Nearly 80% of spend with suppliers for Kodak is on pull programs. Key suppliers like Mercury participate directly in Kaizen events.
The Columbia event was a shock, nothing like any other customer. I immediately felt a different air about it. The leader of the team, Glenn McWilliams, was looking for opportunities to work together to streamline the logistics process on the Kodak Picture Maker program and thereby reducing costs on both ends. The daily results were so encouraging that we both stayed for the entire week. The week was outstanding. Solectron had everyone involved in their internal processes represented on the team, from the person inputting the forecast through purchasing right down to the forklift operator unloading the truck. We even made several trips to the unloading dock and truck just to be sure we understood the forklift operator's concerns correctly. There could not be a more comprehensive team effort. The end result was a more streamlined process and in the end saved both Solectron and Mercury money and time.
The Moonshine Shop is where some of Columbia's best innovations come to life, providing custom-designed, flexible solutions for some of our toughest manufacturing challenges. The impact of Columbia's Moonshine Shop extends far beyond Columbia, providing training, support, and best practices to sites across the region. Visible line-side performance metrics are reviewed regularly by plant management to drive conformance to goals, team ownership, and accountability. Hard work has its rewards, and the Kodak transformation was no exception. The crowning achievement came in the form of recognition from Kodak themselves. Solectron became the first contract manufacturer ever to earn the coveted Kodak Certified Supplier Award, an award of the highest level granted in recognition of superior performance in key categories including delivery, quality, lead time, and cost. Columbia's success was also rewarded in another way. The Kodak line provided an incredible opportunity to showcase Columbia's lean capabilities to numerous prospective customers. The Kodak line made a powerful impression on key decision makers, resulting in major customer wins and explosive business growth of more than $400 million in annual revenue, including repeat business from Kodak in the form of digital cinema and new kiosk products.
In my mind, what makes the Columbia team so successful is the spirit and drive for continuous improvement. It is that drive for continuous improvement that exists well beyond the shop floor. It exists in supply chain, in purchasing, in really every function at Columbia. Solectron Columbia listens. They probe for opportunities. They ask for our feedback. They want to know what they can do better. We here at Kodak know and trust that Solectron is going to continue to improve. Matter of fact, we're counting on it.
The secret of our success is people participation from Solectron, the customer, and suppliers, creating a Kaizen culture that leverages the best lean ideas, energy, and talent that Columbia has to offer. In all, 70 different Columbia associates, along with 12 different customer and supplier representatives, participated directly in this amazing Kodak Lean journey. The Kodak Lean Transformation.